Jai Srimanarayana. 19th sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Prakrutim Purusham Chaiva Viddhi Anadi Vubhavapi వికారాంశ్చ గుణాంశ్చైవ విద్ధి ప్రకృతి సంభవాన్. ఓం. Realize that this material nature, Prakriti, and yourself, all the Atmas, are beginningless. And also, when did you started joining this Prakriti is also unknown. But this is the best opportunity, this life is the best opportunity for you to get rid of this Prakriti and go to the divine abode. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Krishna, oh Sriman Narayana, I realize that this material nature, Prakriti, and myself and all the Atmas are beginningless. And also I understand that when did I start getting into Prakriti also is unknown. Oh Krishna, oh Sriman Narayana, I shall also realize and remember the fact that this is only the life and the best opportunity for me to get rid of this relation with the nature, Prakriti, and go to divine abode. Oh Krishna, oh Sriman Narayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam 7th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Narada Maharshi teaching Dharmaraju and saying like this, O Dharmaja, so far I told you about 30 qualities which are supposed to be inculcated by every human in general. Now I am going to tell you about the Varna Dharmas. Samskaraha yatra avichinnaha saha dvijaha ajaha jagada. Whatever were described, prescribed by Vedas, whoever gets those samskaras, they are known as dvijas. That is what Brahmadeva said. Like Upanayanam and other things, it has to come in their families from so long time. Then whoever gets those samskaras, they are called as dvijas. And doing yagam, studying Vedas, doing charities, these are three dharmas supposed to be observed, definitely supposed to be observed by Brahmana. And doing again yajnas for someone, teaching Vedam to someone, and receiving danas, charities from deserved people. These are the ways for Brahmanas to earn something to lead their life. And Kshatriyas, they have to do yagas, they have to do Veda Adhyayanam, they have to be doing charities. These are definitely supposed to be observed by Kshatriyas. And Kshatriyas should never receive charities from anyone. And they can also do yajnas, they can also teach Vedas, but not for earning something to lead their life. Kshatriyas should not be taking taxes from Brahmanas. And for Vaishyas, Krishi and Vanijyam, agriculture and business. These are the ways Vaishyas can earn something to lead their life. And Sudra. Sudra supposed to be coordinating with Brahmana, Kshatriya, Sudra and help them. That is how Sudra supposed to be lead their life. And Brahmanas, when they cannot do their own occupation, they can also do Krishi and Gorakshana, agriculture and taking care of cows. And going to the fields and picking up something, whatever is already fallen on the floor, the grains, that is called as Rutam. And without begging something, but if someone gives you something, receiving that one is Amrutam. So Brahmana, Kshatriya, these two categories, when they don't have their own occupation to earn something, they can lead their life by doing this Rutam and Amrutam. Like that, Narada Maharshi teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 19th sloka. Prakritim Purusham Chaiva Vidhi Anadi Vubhavapi Vikarams Gunams Chaiva Vidhi Prakriti Sambhavan. Prakritim Purusham Chaiva Vidhi Anadi Vubhavapi Vikarams Gunams Chaiva Vidhi Prakriti Sambhavan. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.